Hi friends, my name is Dhanashri. Today I am going to tell some information about one lesson, and that lesson name is The Nightingale and the Nobleman. A nobleman in a faraway land once caught a nightingale and put him in a cage. No bird likes No bird likes to be shut up in a cage. The nightingale began to plead. Please set me free. If you let me go, I will tell the secret of happiness. The the nobleman was rich but not happy. He wanted he wanted to know the secret of happiness. So he let the bird go. Listen, said the nightingale. This is a correct of happiness. Never cry over split. Never over split milk, and never trust idea words. A nobleman in a faraway land once caught a nightingale and put him in a cage. No bird likes to be shut up in a cage. The nightingale began to plead. Thanks.